All right, we're over at 3375 Pleasant Springs Drive over in Cumming, Georgia. I'm going to be attempting a repairability test. As you can see, this is the wind crease shingle that the inspector recognized as wind damage on the day of the reinspection. This is the condition of the shingles directly above it. I will be as gentle as possible during this repair video. Here we go. Real quick, these shingles are extremely brittle. As you can see, I was trying to break the seal and we've already basically cracked the shingle right there because of the non-pliability. You can also feel matting transfer whenever I'm trying to break the seal. Now these are breaking. Also, you are watching me. I'm not excessively bending these or excessively lifting these shingles. I am being as gentle as possible with them. Let me show them something real quick. I want to show you guys some matting transfer real quick. I mean, it's obvious that after this matting transfer has occurred, these shingles are no longer ever going to reseal properly. And you can also see where the shingles have cracked because of the brittle nature of them. Let me get some close-up photos for you guys though.